Pakipulsa na lang po muna. Ang ating bus po is everyday na po itong ginagamit, no? Punet.
Saka Giyong.
Gather.
Ganun.
Closet. Closet.
Dito po, meron po tayong ganyan po distribute bread around the northern part of Luzon. And we are also capable of producing 6,000 loaves per hour. Tama po ang inyong narinig, kaya namin po produce ng 6,000 loaves kada oras.
Bakit?
Pee. I wanna pee. Wanna pee, 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 pee.
Uy, uy, uy.
Binigyan na ako.
Hansa. Hansa o Hamsa? Anong masasabi niya sa ating educational tour?
I
Okay, one. Smile. One more. Okay.
Azur. Bulig ni Astrud, Azur. Ayun, tayan sila ano.
Gonna see Freddy, Tika, Bonnie, and Foxy. There's a snake. Bro, that's what...
Bawal ba daw? Bawal. Bawal daw po dahil. Ay, bawal.
Ano kaya?
Bawal lang. Bawal din nilagay sa bag.
Doon lang may CR.
Ewan ko, tas magkasama pa. Hinipin yung si Aramal. Uy!
Tower.
Birds, birds, birds.
Nalang picture tayo, picture, dali.
Malikot ah. Birds, birds, birds.
Picture na, picture na. Ano, hindi mo masa. Doon na. Bawal ka na dyan. Tumayo lang kayo, tumayo lang kayo. Ayun na, may unggoy. Ay, magalang bumaba dyan. Galing na tayo dyan eh.
B.
Tundok. Ito, maganda oh.
Doon ata. Dito ata sa kanila. Doon sila nagsibabae.
Pwede dyan?
What happens?
Dito tayo muna oh. Ayan oh, sa harap. Ayan, anak mo. Berlin, ginawang statue si Berlin. Uy, no horseplay dito. No horseplay. No pun intended.
There's another
What?
Berber.
Don't put it in your bag. Don't put it in your bag.
Barber.
In my bag.
Si Berlingoy.
Don't put it in your bag.
Ano? Muling ko to. Muling ko to isa. Ma-deliver na lang, lalamog. Pero ang ganda, no?
Paint mo pa lang.
Ayan, dito ka magsama ng picture.
Ayun kanina.
Magsawa. Ayun ako, dito. Tayo, walang Triceratops yun, Judy.
Ayun na! Ayun
Ano to? Ano to? Ano to? Ano to? Cornosaurus. Pumba.
May spider! Negrosaurus.
Nigasaurus. Hey, that's racist.
No, that's actually a name. That's the animal with the most amount of teeth. It's called Negrosaurus.
Hey. Saan mo to?
Yun talaga gumagalaw.
Saan tayo? Malamig. Uy! Bastos!
Ayun, ginagawa mo.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Dugong. Nandito si Dugong. Uy, tawag na tayo. Mag-CR muna. Uy, laki nito.
Mag-CR ikaw ngayon. Dito Berm, mag-CR na ikaw.
Paalala ko kung
Ano daw yung duty free?
Duty free, okay.
Duty free. Welcome to the Philippines! Take photo. May payakan pa, ano? Payakan.
Hindi ko. Ikaw ay nakita ko. Hindi ko nakita ikaw. Hindi ko nakita. Saan ka bang bus?
Nilibrihan ka pa.
Ay, bus. Created the view.
Angit mo. Angit mo. Angit mo.
Balls be slipping.
Oh.
Your gold card. It's Iron Man.
Yan, no? Food court. Yan. Dito na kami sa Science. Science to Sense. Science. What? What?
Italy. Ano mo na yung ako sa
Papasok na kami, guys.
No, I got you. Jubim is here. I am Jubim. Jubim is here. Jubim is here. I am Jubim.
We are here at Science.
Students ko, pwede pag-aaral nila na sila. Yan, pila po sila. Parents and students, harap kayo dito. Ayan, pipicture na. Very good. This is our first station, the Sound of Space or the activity area po. So, on this area, you will observe or discover our dinosaur.
Oh, it's Miguel. Not cold anymore. It's hot. Squid Game to.
Picture of that.
For every pieces of your bowl. As you can see, we have skeletal system, and then ito naman yung mga parts mo ng mga bowls natin. Okay? And then we also have the gestation period or the 9 months journey.
Kaya magkano sa'yo?
Yes po. Parts ng black. So, di ba, we have 3 parts ng, like, we have vertebrae yung tawag sa buto ng black. So, each po, etong mga ano na to, vertebrae na to, may mga names po sila. So, this one is the cervical, this is thoracic, and this is and heart.
Babe. Kamusta naman po ang experience natin sa science?
Wala nga dito, no?
Bawal po ang mga 8080 dito.
Move it. Cinematic. Or skibidi. Enjoy it.
Ano yan, babe? What's that called? What dinosaur is that?
Simini. Saurus. Nigersaurus.
Titanic.
Planets. Okay, bawal po natin batuhin yung mga planets. Baka
Sit down, pause, and down.
Babe.
Lahat ng mga parents po dito tayo sa side. Sige po, sit down na po yung mga students po.
Boy, layo mo naman. Sa side.
Sige po yung mga students.
Hey, Stephen Hawking.
Box figures po natin. Okay, okay, so good afternoon, seekers. Mabuhay. Welcome to Spark Space. Here we'll uncover how machines, big and small, and change the world. Here's the steam engine that powered the first train. And there's a robot, just imagine it, building things at lightning speed. So every machine here began as an idea in someone's head, an invention that became part of our lives. Think about how this machine helped.
Burj Khalifa. Maganda si Burj Khalifa.
Ano yan? Ay, joke. Biro tuloy. Ano yan? Ano yung Haring Manggi?
Give chance to others. Let's go. Excuse me,
You see it? Look at your hand. Look at your hand.
Is called skibidi. Birch is skibidi and all of it is skibidi.
bumibili ata ng drink.